we know that we could use modal verbs when asking for or giving permission. In particular, we'd use the words can, could, and may. Now, these modals all have the same basic meaning, but some modals are more formal than others. So how could we use modals of permission? Now, we can use it when we are making an affirmative statement, such as, you can borrow my pencil. We can use it when we are making negative statements. Sometimes we use sorry before refusing permission just to make it sound more polite. And we can use it in questions, for example, in yes or no questions or in the what questions, such as, when can we leave? So now let's take a look at some examples. Now let's take a look at two examples, one using could and one using may. So we already know from the information we've just learned that could is only used when asking a question. For example, please could I borrow your camera? Now here the could is referring to asking for permission. Let's take a look at the next example. You may see the doctor now. May is generally used in more formal situations with people we are unfamiliar with. So, the may in the sentence is referring to giving permission to see the doctor now. So now that we've looked at some examples and understood how to use modals of permission, let's take a look at what type of situations we can use them in. So, you can have one more snack. Can is informal and normally used with friends or family or people we are very familiar with. You may speak to Dr. Johnson now. May is very formal and mostly used with older people or strangers, people we don't know very well. We use could in questions to ask for permission, but never in statements giving or refusing permission. So could is used in both formal and informal questions. For example, could I go with you? So this is something important to take note of. Could cannot be used in statements giving or refusing permission. So I hope this has helped you learn more about modals of permission, when to use them, and how to use them in a sentence. I'll see you next time.